guys, today I'm going to be showing you the new Indian Summer Gel collection and the new 𝗀𝗱𝗃𝗀𝗃 collection too. These have literally just gone online tonight and you can get them from magpiebeauty.co.uk. So let's begin with the gel, and the first one that we have got is called Little Cutie, and this is a really lovely blush pink colour. Next up we have got Summer Loving, which is a really bright baby pink. Then we've got Ugly Betty, which is a really bright fuchsia pink, absolutely gorgeous. Now that's going to be super popular with my clients. Then we have got 𝗀𝗴𝗃𝗃𝗃, which is a stunning magnesia pink. And we've also got a lovely purple, which has got a nice shimmer through it as well. This is called Memory Lane. We've also got a really lovely light peach colour. This is called 𝗴𝗲𝗍𝗍. Finally, we have got the lovely Junebug. This is like a really bright orangey colour. Really lovely. So those are the gels that are coming out. Then we have got the new chromes, which I am absolutely obsessed with these. I'm an absolute sucker for chrome, so are my clients, and the Magpie chromes are the easiest chromes I've ever worked with. They go on like butter. They are so creamy to apply. They're so easy to apply. This is the Wicked collection, so it's going to be perfect for Halloween. The first one that we have got is Ursula. This is like a purpley toned chrome. Then we have got Mortia, which is like red and green. See, they're all two-toned. See how mirror finish that is? Like, they're absolutely stunning chromes. Finally, we have got Winfred, which is like a blue, green, purple. Probably my favourite one, but yeah, you can literally see my reflection in that. They're so good. So I can't wait to use these. I know they're going to be super popular for Halloween. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll hopefully see you in the next video.